Hello guys, this is God's Power Ogiagbe. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can find the right keyword to rank for on your website. Let me say you have a website and you want to write a blog and you are looking for how can I find the right keyword. So that is what I'm going to show you today. Let me say, for example, when you come to my website, which is USafe SEO, when I click on blogs here, you'll find all my blogs here, and you can see that I use a title, but there's a keyword which I'm targeting here, which is Shopify review. You can see this article that I've written about Shopify. It's a best online e-commerce web store, Shopify, which is the keyword I'm ranking for on this my blog is Shopify review. And if you click on it, if I click on it now, it will open up and you will see some areas where I mention like Shopify review, Shopify. You see here, this is the keyword I'm ranking for, and that is what I'm going to show you today, how you can find the right keyword to rank for. But you need to rank for a keyword that is a low competition, to rank for a keyword that don't have difficulties to rank for on Google. So when it's a high keyword, when you are ranking for a high keyword, you find it difficult to rank for this keyword because there's people who their domain authority is more than yours, and you might find it difficult to rank for. So you are going to look for a keyword that is simple, that doesn't have difficulties of ranking on this keyword. So how to find this keyword? First, you need to go to Google. Come to Google here, and let me say, for example, let's search for this keyword, which is best way to make money. So when I search for best way to make money, I click on search. You will see that best way to make money will pop up, and you will see this person that have written articles is say 25 ways to make money online and offline. So yeah, that is the title of this blog. But the keyword that they are ranking for is how best look at the keyword there. The keyword there that this person is ranking for is best way to make money. That is the keyword that this person is ranking for, and you can see the traffic this person is getting on this domain. You can see he's getting almost 44 million visitors every single this person is getting from US. Let me see, estimate. Let me just like click on it. Let me see. You can see estimate monthly traffic for domain in United States of America, which is almost 44 million plus visitors, traffic that is getting from United States. And you can see that this person has written 7,000 words on this article, 7,000. And he's talking about 25 ways that you can use to make money, which is 25 websites that you can use to make money on these articles alone. And you can see that this person has written 7,133 word on this article, which is you are going to write. Let me say you want to rank for this keyword. You are going to write articles that beat this person. Let me say 10,000 word. So if I click on it, you will see it will say number of words. So number of word that this person used on this article is 7,133. You can see the keyword. It didn't mention the keyword a lot. It say how many. It say number of that keyword. How many times best way to make money was used on this page. You can see that it's ranking for best way to make money, but it didn't use this keyword. It didn't use it a lot. So you might use this keyword like 4 or 10 times or 30 times. It just depends on you. And once you are good, you can see that I'm able to track all those things. So how I'm able to see how the traffic that this person is getting and the number of words this person writes, you have to go to Chrome Web Store, go and install this Chrome extension. Let us go to Google. So when you come to Google here, let me remove this and search for Chrome Web Store. Just search for Chrome extension. Just search for Chrome extension, and it will pop up. You see Chrome Web Store, and click on it. So when you click on it, it will open. So what you are going to search for is this tool, which is Software SEO. You can see just search for Software SEO. So search for it, and once you search for it, this is the tool. You need to click on it, and you need to add it to your Chrome web extension here. So once you add it to your Chrome web browser, you add it, you click on this icon here, you click on pin, and it will pin this extension on your web browser, which is on your Chrome web browser. So let me say, anything you search on Google, it will tell you how many times people are searching for this word. If you want to target a particular country, let me say like US, it will show you in US how many people. Let me say, for example, you can see when I search for Chrome web extension, you can see it's telling us that this Chrome web extension is getting traffic from US, which is almost 46,000 traffic from the US. So yeah, you can see the keyword, they didn't use any keyword here because it's a web extension. So yeah, and you can see you can select your country here. Let me say, for example, you want to target your particular country. You can click on this icon once you have installed this Chrome extension, and you select the country you want to rank for, you want to check this keyword from. Let me say that keyword will just check, which is this best way to make money. So if you want to search this keyword in a particular country, once you enter the keyword here and you click on this icon here, and just bring your mouse, bring it down, just bring this icon down to select the country that you want to rank for. So that is how you will find how much traffic that is getting, how traffic is coming to a particular country. So yeah, by this particular keyword. So that is how you can do keyword research about this. And once you have gotten the this keyword here, you have seen like how much traffic this people are getting from this keyword, and you click on it to enter, and you see people that have written articles about it. And what you have to do is to overwrite them. What I mean by overwriting them is you need to write articles more than they have written. You can see this person is getting almost 900,000 traffic from US, and he have written the word they have used on these articles is 5,563. So you can see this person here, he have written 3,000 word. This person here have written 3,000 word. This person have written 5,000 word. So all you just need to do is to make sure you overwrite all those people. You can overwrite it, make it like 10,000 word. So just write 10,000 word. You will see that you will be on top of Google by just doing this. So once you have the keyword you want to rank for, you know how much word you want to rank and how you can override those people that is on top of Google. You write more word, and explain, give more details. And what you can do too, you can click on the blog to see how the image they use, how they center and position their article, so that you'll be able to overwrite them, because Google want to make sure that your article have more things that explain, give more information, more details about this particular keyword you are trying to rank for. So that is what I want you to pay attention here. And let me say I want to go to see this keyword, if this keyword is a low competition or a high competition keyword, you need to go to Google Ad. Just go to Google Ad, search Google Ad from your Google account, from your web browser, and click on the first one that we popped up. So when it popped up, all you just need to do is to click on login. To register is very simple. If you don't have your Google Ad account, you can just click on it and it will register you instantly with your Gmail and password. So I'm just going to log in my own account. So once your Google Ad account open, your own might be different because I'm running ad. That's why you see mine like this. So click on tools and settings, this icon, and click on this section where it says keyword planner. So when you click on keyword planner, it's going to bring out this dashboard that you will see on the screen here in just a second. So when you bring out this two dashboard here, let me see, two buttons here. Click on this one that says discover new keyword, and click on that and remove your current country. Just remove your current country, click on save, and here you are going to paste in your article. So you can see that is in default and you are targeting worldwide. You can change the language if you want to a particular language. Let me say English, and yeah, you can see that we are targeting now all countries, so all location. we can paste in that keyword we want to rank for and click on get results. So once you click on get results, so now we are trying to check to see if this keyword is a low competition keyword, if it's changing each month. It have changed last month, last 2 months. We just need to see if this keyword is changing or not. So as you can see that this best way to make money is getting roughly, you say, average monthly searches that people are searching worldwide is 10k to 100k searches per month, which is a lot. And you can see the competition. This is what I'm talking about. The competition is very low. You can see this is the competition is low, and this means that you will be able, you have a chance of ranking on this keyword. So now that you see that this keyword that we have that you have here, which is best way to make money, you can just click on it and copy it. So now you have a low competition keyword you want to rank for. You can see that the keyword is not, you have not changed within 3 months, you have not changed for long within 6 months. So what you can do is to copy the keyword. Just click on it and click on copy. So once you have clicked on copy, come to this website here, which is USafe SEO tools, and click on word counter. This is one of my SEO tools websites. So if you want to use it, you can come and try it out. So just click on this word counter tool and paste in the keyword you just got. This will be the title of your this will be the targeted keyword that you want to target on that your blog you want to write. So let me say, for example, you have the best way to make money, but you don't know how to write the articles. But first you need a topic. So how can you get a topic to write about this your blog? So what you can do, you can go to this website, which is Super Tools, and you can go to this section where it says outline generator. So you can click on that. So what is going to do here is that this website is going to help you to create an outline. Outline is a topic of what you want to write about. So I will paste in it here and I will log in on this tool. So I have logged in. I will just click on generate. So as you can see, it's generating now outline for this our blog we want to write about. So we are just going to wait for it to generate our outline for us, and once it's done, I will show you. So as you can see, guys, it have generated 5 outline for us. So you can see that our title is best way to make money online, and you have to write a brief description about this your best way to make money online introduction, which is introduction. And after this you can see the first one is what are some of the best way to make money online? What are the pro and con of each way? Which method is best for you? How to start making money? Tips for staying motivated and productive. So let me say, for example, you want to use this. You can just copy it and come and put it here. Come to USafe SEO tools and just paste it down. And now this will be the topic of your articles of your blog. So at the bottom you can pull a conclusion, because if you write an article, you need to make sure you have a conclusion. So we can pull a conclusion here. And yeah, so now that we have a conclusion of this our blog, what we can do now is to go and start writing article for each topic of this our blog. So that is how you can do a research of what you the articles you want to write, and you start writing. So once you have done once you have done, you click on count. It will count the word that you have written. If it's not up to 10,000, you will rewrite it again, because you are ranking for this keyword. You need to make sure you write at least 10,000 words, because you know that there's people that is already ranking for this keyword. And when you are done writing the 10,000 words, you need to go and check the image that they use, how many image they use on that blog. You have to overwrite them. You need to have more image than them, give more details than them. Your details have to be straight. They don't have to be beat up and down details. You need to be straight with your explanation. Even if it take you 2 days or 3 days to write the articles, just write it, but make sure that you explain everything and give more details about that. So that is it. That is how you can do this. So now that you have written the article, and yeah, so you just you have everything done. Let me say, for example, you don't want to write this article by yourself. You want to use an AI tool. You want to make the work fast. So you can use this AI tool which is called Jasper. Jasper will allow you to write articles for free. They will allow you to write articles. So all you just need to do is to use the free trial of Jasper. The link will be in the description below if you want to use it. So if you want to write your article, it's not compulsory that you have to use this tool, but I'm just giving it to you. Let me say you don't have strength or you don't have idea of what you want to write about. Jasper will do all the job for you. Just tell Jasper the title, the topic, and everything will be written in just a minute, in just a second. So that is what I need to talk about. And yeah, so that is what you can use if you are not able to write it by yourself. Let me say, for example, you have written your article, but you are not able to automate your blog. So this tool which is software SEO will help you to do that. So what it will help you to do, will put you in the first page of that keyword you are trying to rank for on Google. It says race to the one page on Google with less than 30 minutes of software SEO optimization. So what this AI tool allows you to do, help you to analyze people who is ranking for that keyword you are trying to rank for, and it will tell you what to do to overwrite them to make sure you are on the top of those people. So we tell you how many words you write, what you can use, how many images you can use, how you can optimize your blog to make sure you are topping on them. So that is how you can find the right keyword and write your articles. And I hope that you find this video helpful. If you find this helpful, don't forget again to smash this like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, you can come back again to this my blog. So when you come to this my blog, you can see that I have this my blog I have written, which is how to make money online. So this my how to make money online. I update this my blog every single week. So there's a bunch of ways that you can use to make money, and it's by chapter to chapter. If you click on, let me say, how to make money with let me say paid viewpoint, it will take you to paid viewpoint, how you can make money, and you can click on the link and go and start making money with paid viewpoint. It's very simple blog that will give you more details and strategy that you can start using to make money online, affiliate marketing, free ways, watching videos. You can find everything on this my blog, which is how to make money online. Just search it on my website, you will find this blog and you can start using it to make free money online. So guys, I'll say thank you very much, and thank you for watching this video to this end. So yeah, so I will see you on the next one, and let us keep on making money online. Don't forget again, click that like button. So you are done watching this my video. So what are you waiting for? All you just need to do is to click that subscribe button and click the bell, or you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It just depends on where you want to follow me. Go and follow me. Let us connect together and start making money online for free. And you can visit my website, which is www.hugo'spower.com. You can check my SEO website, which is www.usafeseotools.com. Check them out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and let us keep on making money online for free. See you on the next video.